Well, agriculture is, we talk about genetic engineering in a particular way, like transgenics, where you move one species DNA into another. That's a modern phenomenon. But in a more practical sense, genetic engineering is something that's been done for millennia in agriculture. It's been the selection and rearrangement of the genome by crosses and progeny selection. Natural systems are applying selection constantly, and they're reforming the genome. They're taking new mutations and bringing them to very high frequency. And so if you look at wild species and you watch the dynamic that's occurring more recently, you can use plants as sort of phytometers. It's like a thermometer, but it's a plant that integrates changes in the environment. They are going to respond to the highs and lows of climate. And instead of dispersing and moving away, they have to change and adapt to the local conditions. Over the short term, we've noticed that wild collections that were taken, say, 40 years ago have dramatically changed in response to some of the major pressures for climate change. If we can examine the way in which species respond in the short term to these kinds of fluctuations in water and temperature variation, we can gain insight on how to breed for better crops in our own country.